Well, hey folks, welcome to Solar Cabin Channel. This video is again one of my series on how to cook with your power stations, and I am using the Generark 1200 watt Home Power 1 power station. I love this thing. I've used it now for at least 8 months. I think I've had this, and they changed the name on it now to Geniverse, but it is the Generark, same system as far as I can tell. And this unit I use all the time, recharge it from my solar power, and then use it especially at night when I want to cook and not drain my main batteries on my system. I use the Generark all the time for cooking. Now the cooking appliance that I'm showing today is the Elite Gourmet air fryer, and I'm going to be cooking. I'll show you what I got in here. I've got a couple of burritos, those frozen burritos that you can buy, and I've got a handful of French fries in there. Now you just want to remember that you want to keep your food kind of in a single layer. You don't want to layer things on top of each other. So I kind of had to bend the burritos around. They broke because they were frozen, but that's okay. It's not going to change anything. They'll probably cook a little bit faster because I did break them open. Those are completely frozen, by the way. This is an air fryer, which I had never really used before this year. I didn't realize how great they are for cooking, and I love them because they cook really fast, and they also give you that fried food texture without frying in oil, so you're not getting the extra oils and stuff like that. So I love them. And this one is designed by Elite Gourmet. It is basically for one or two people. It's not for, huge meals, but I love these Elite Gourmet appliances because they use very low power. This one only uses, I think, about 600 watts. And so it will run off like a small power station like this, and it cooks really fast, so it doesn't use a lot of power, so it's not going to drain the batteries down on a system. So you could use this for just regular cooking at your house, but also these appliances are great for like a blackout or off-grid emergency situation where you don't have power. If you're using a power station, you could even take this camping with you to cook food. So let's go ahead and start this up, and we're going to show you how many watts and power it uses. So I'm going to turn this on down here. My Generark says that it is at 89%, so we're going to go ahead and start this up, and then we'll see how many watts it takes here. Okay, so I turn this around here to put the dot right between there, and I think that's probably about maybe 10 minutes or so to cook these. Maybe a little bit less. We'll see how long it actually takes here. So we're going to go ahead and cook that up, and then I'll show you how it comes out of the air fryer basket, and show you the food. And that way you'll have another appliance that you can use for emergency power, camping, or off-grid situations. Okay, so I had this cooking for, looks like about 8 minutes, 7 or 8 minutes. And it used, it used 80% on this Generark Home Power 1 power station. So it took about 6% of the battery to cook this. Let's see how these came out. Ooh, everything's nice. Fries are a nice golden brown. The burritos have a nice brown color. I might have got that one just a little bit overcooked because it's not down as far as it should be. Should have been farther down in the pan, then it'd look like that other one there. Everything really well, nice, cooked very fast, 7 to 8 minutes. And those were frozen burritos and frozen fries. So if I had unthawed them first, they would have cooked even faster. And, plenty of space and room in that pan to cook a meal for 1 or 2 people. I really like these Elite Gourmet systems. I have a couple of their appliances. I've been very happy with them. Like I said, they're specifically designed to be for 1 or 2 people, low power use, and they cook really fast. And because it's an air fryer, you're not adding a whole bunch of extra grease and oil if used to fry foods, like these foods that I'm cooking here, which, I don't need any extra fat. I'm fat enough. All right, folks, again, that is using the Home Power 1 power station, the Elite Gourmet air fryer, and both of them are available on Amazon and can be used for camping, an emergency power situation, a blackout, or if you're an off-gridder like me, you just use them all the time for cooking at night. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.